Auzubillahi minashaitanirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello and warm welcome to all peaks of the global world. I would like to introduce myself. I am Atif Saleem Butt from Faisalabad, Punjab, Pakistan. You all are watching my YouTube channel. Kindly subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon for latest upcoming videos. Are you with me? Today I will elaborate you about case story of land mafia. All are giving me a live threats. Start topic of the day through step-by-step procedure. I am moving towards step number 1, phase number 1. You all are watching execution petition. This petition was launched by the degree holders in the court of Mr. Mohammad as on 23/2/2023. The purpose of this petition was to implement the judgment and decree of 3/4/2021 for the construction work purpose. You all are watching execution of decree petition. Second application. Court orders through step-by-step procedure. Warrant of arrestation of all respondents as on 20th June 2023. Section 94 CPC proceedings. The commission was appointed by Mr. Mohammad as on 20th June 2023. I am moving towards step number 2, phase number 2. The local commission was submitted his report as on 5th July 2023. Look at this here. Mr. Mohammad signature. You all are watching Naqash Liaquat Bajwa report, which was generated by local commission as on 5th July 2023. This report is showing that interference was done in degree holder property. The respondents was done the interference in the degree holder property, but police response was null and void till now. Police was not launched any kind of FIR. This report was generated by Naqash Liaquat Ali Bajwa, appointed local commission of execution of degree court of Mr. Mohammad with acrobatic stuff of superbness. Look at this here. Clear property. Demolish the construction, clear property. Attempt of illegal occupation. Try to change the possession of the plot, blackmailing, and other malified activities. Look at this here. The legal counsel of degree holder was attached massive documented evidence file with massive cognition of supremacy. These records are alive and kicking, not challengeable in any court of justice, because the superior courts were issued phenomenal records, such as original 1/5 call record was issued by the Punjab Safe City Authority in prolific and accomplished manner with legacy of greatness. The Honourable Chief Law Officer of Punjab signatures are also available on this record. I am moving towards step number 5, phase number 5. I am giving you a bird's eye view of complete documented evidence file. Look at this here. You all are watching Nadeem zero base registry petition. Equation of 0 is 0 divided by 0 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. This base point of 0 base registry was started from Manzooran Bibi name. Look at this here. He was done the petition against me. He was submitted affidavit and zero base registry in the court as well as zero base revenue record in the court for stay order purpose. You all are watching Nadeem kick-off affidavit. His affidavit was submitted by his legal counsel Mohammad. They were submitted kick-off affidavit in the learned civil court of Mr. Mohammad.Sheikh. They were given the malice of statement against Mr. Atif Saleem Butt, including respondent number 4, respondent number 5, respondent number 8, and so on. You all are watching Bona 515 Police Emergency Helpline call record, which are showing that the interference was done in our property as on 23rd Feb 2022 sharp at 4:44 p.m. Look at this here. Chief Law Officer Punjab signature, Kashif Mushtaq Varaj. This record is not challengeable in any court of justice. Call record, call summary. Interference was done. Look at this here. Dispatching time, first arrival time, final feedback time. Look at this here. Area 225 Rebe Malkhanwala Satyana Road, Mitaina City Colony, Phase 2, corner plot, Faisalabad. Caller name Atif. All are watching mock statement of witnesses. Muhammad Nadeem, son of Muhammad Rafiq. Muhammad Salim, son of Muhammad Rafiq. Shabir Ahmad, son of Bashir Ahmad. Look at this here. These witnesses were recorded in Nadeem versus Atif Saleem Butt petition. Second written mock statement. Look at this here. Look at this here. Muhammad Nadeem was used totally and totally documented evidence file, which is not acceptable in any court of justice. Look at this here. National identity card of Muhammad Nadeem, son of Muhammad Rafiq. Revenue record, zero base revenue record, zero base registry through consul. Chaudhry Muhammad Mahmood Man. Look at this here. Everything is going toward this direction day by day. You all are enjoying final verdict of Muhammad Nadeem versus Atif Saleem Butt petition. Look at this here. They all were unable to attend the court. No advance argument was done from the side of plaintiff. This case was disposed by Mr. Mirza Naim as on 29th January 2022. They all were generated zero base revenue record of Asars Roya at that particular tenor during case hearing. Look at this here. No legal counsel was appeared on behalf of Nadeem. Muhammad Nadeem was also absent from court. Look at this here. Everything is available in the custody of Honourable Mr. Sheikh Ijaz Pervaiz Court. I am moving towards step number 5, phase number 5. Look at this here. Another counterfeit written reply of respondent number 5 in execution of degree case. His legal counsel name was Mohammad Rizwan Umar Awan. He was used one statement at least 10 times. We are not aware with court hearing. We are not familiar with court hearing. We were not received any kind of intimation from court side. That's it. Look at this here. Look at this here. Mr. Amanullah Bhatti was not generated any kind of security amount from respondent number 5 and other fellows. They all were deliberately disappeared from court at least 358 days. The written reply of Mohammad Rizwan Umar Awan was mismatching with massive documented evidence file as well as service processor report. Look at this here. Shabir Ahmad, son of Bashir Ahmad, Court of Umar Haral, execution of decree case, date of hearing 15th May 2023, sharp at 9 am. Court stamp and signature. Look at this here, the remarks of services processor. The intimation was done to this person in proper manner. Domestic witness of Abdul Razak, son of Abdul Ghani, recorded. The written feedback of Muhammad Rizwan Umar Awan is mismatching. I am moving towards step number 6, phase number 6. You all are enjoying contempt of court application. Look at this here. Attested copy. Civil code procedure. Look at this here. The Honourable Decree Holder Legal Counsel was attained hail and hearty stay order from the court as on 31st July 2024. The interference was done as on 7th August 2024 sharp at 11:20 am. Look at this here. The degree holder 1 was used 1-5 call for emergency police help sharp at 11:20 am. This here 1-5 call racket of degree holder 1 Mr. Atif Saleem Butt 7/8/2024 11:20 am. This racket was issued by the Pakistan Mobile Communication Limited Authority Islamabad Department after completion of all legal formalities such as biometric and so on. This racket is not challengeable in any court of justice as per Honourable Supreme Court of Pakistan Judgment 2020R CMR 522. I am moving towards step number 7. You all are enjoying another written counterfeit answer of respondents. Look at this here. They all are attending funeral prayer. They all are taking lane rest in coffin. This statement was recorded in the Honourable Superior Court of Mr.Sheikh Ijaz pervaiz. You all are watching contradiction in the local commission report of Irtiza Nisar Pariyar. Look at this here. He is not elaborating each and everything. He is unable to write the Urdu in proper manner. You all are watching written statement of Mr. Atif Saleem Butt and Umar Saleem Butt. This written statement is 1000% matching with massive documented evidence file. Look at this here. Another counterfeit statement of Shabir Ahmad, son of Bashir Ahmad, Salim, son of Mohammad, Rafiq, Mukhtar, and so on. Respondent number 5 was saying that I was done the construction 2 years ago. The witnesses are given by the Muhammad Salim, son of Muhammad Rafiq, Mukhtar, son of Hadayat Ali. It is considered as mockery written statement. This statement was also recorded in the Honourable Superior Court of Mr. Sheikh Ijaz pervaiz. Degree holder witnesses. The illegal occupation was done on our property as on 7th August 2024. 1.5 madrasa size of our property. The documented evidence file was submitted by the legal counsel of degree holder with contempt of court petition. Look at this here. They were recorded counterfeit statement on behalf of respondent number 3, Manzooran, Bibi, wife of Mohammad Sadiq. She is feeling sick. It is considered as massive acts and painful blow. They all were busy in the treatment of Manzooran Bibi, wife of Mohammad Sadiq in New Lahore at that particular tenor. Look at this here. This statement was personally recorded by Mohammad Sadiq, son of Mohammad Sadiq, in the presence of Honourable Superior Judge Mr.Sheikh Ijaz pervaiz. You all are watching for statement of respondent number 4, Mohammad Nadeem, son of Mohammad Rafiq. Look at this here. He was busy in the earning tactics at that particular tenor, but legal counsel of respondent was sending him in funeral prayers. Embezzlement in writing. Mukhtar returned counterfeit statement. Warrant Arrestation Department branch record. He was deliberately disappeared from home to avoid any kind of arrestation at that particular tenor. But legal counsel of respondent was sending him in funeral prayers. Another suspicious answer from respondent side. Respondent number 7 and 8 mismatching statement. You all are watching embezzlement from respondent number 7 and 8 side. You all are enjoying bailable warrant of arrestation of all respondents. Look at this here. Surety bound. Mismatching statement of legal counsel of respondent number 5. He was elaborating the residential address of respondent number 5, Cantonese 225 Rabe Malkhanwala, Faisalabad. He was personally elaborating his address of Ibn Maryam Colony. You all are enjoying zero base registries as well as zero revenue racket. Look at this here. Manzooran Bibi, wife of Mohammad Sadiq. These registries were driven from car number 7, which is not falling in the town of 38 Canal, 13 Marla and 0 Sarsai. Prepaid by Atif, son of Mohammad Buddha. They all are involved in further division of zero base registries. Look at this here. Look at this here. They are showing revenue racket of 38728, which is not falling in any kind of revenue racket, 0. Look at this here. KWAT number 211, which is not falling in this town. Everything is zero base. Zero revenue racket 61094211. The legal counsel of degree holders will be presented zero base registries of Manzooran Bibi, wife of Mohammad Sadiq, in the Honourable Court of Mr. Sheikh Ijaz pervaiz as on 20th December 2024. Nadeem registry is already available in the Honourable Superior Court custody. If anything will be happened with Mr. Atif Saleem Butt, so FIR of 302A will be launched against all respondents, which punishment is hanged till death. Love you all.